and trying to be a better person. I promise you, with everything in my heart, I promise you.
Record suggests otherwise. You have 12 years.
I beg you to overlook my track record and realize as the person. Judge, you have to have faith in me. Please have faith in me.
I have zero confidence that you will be showing up.
I beg you to trust me.
60 City of Wine numbers, Jeremy Peterson, 231784. And counsel your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Peterson. Mr. Peterson, would you please unmute yourself and state your name for the record?
Hi, Jeremy Peterson.
All right, thank you. Today's the date scheduled for sentencing on your client's plea of guilty to possession of drug paraphernalia and disorderly conduct. And counsel, you have an opportunity to speak to your client regarding the report recommendation.
That's correct, Your Honor. And at this time, there's no additions or deletions or corrections that need to be made. I would simply just ask that the recommendation be adopted on behalf of my client in respect to incarceration. I would like you to know that he did spend roughly 30 days.
Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here and say that I have set up playlists of some of my favorite cases and judges. So if you get bored and want to have a giggle or a gasp, then I could show you my cat's fridge, or you can check out these playlists. I'll leave a link below.
Incarcerated already. So I would just ask that he be given credit for time served and assessed costs and fines. He's extremely apologetic. I know that according to the PSI, he does have some warrants outstanding. He has retained counsel on those, and he will be going to court, I believe, this week or next week to start clearing all of them up.
Okay, so you retained an attorney to clear up all of your warrants, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a court starting on the 19th. I'm on a tether currently still. So after we go to the court on the 19th, we're going to go through all the warrants and start taking care of all of them, because at this point I just want to get everything out of the way and get over all this. The trouble's been following me for a long time, and so I'm done with it.
Well, okay, so who's the attorney that you've retained to handle all of these other matters?
Richard Hammock, I believe his name is. Richard Hammock.
Okay, and he's representing you in all of these other matters? Yeah,
as of right now, we're talking. I just retained him. Well, I paid a deposit on Thursday, and we just I'm going to talk to him tomorrow, and 18th right now, and then we're going to go after that to each one.
19th, you mean 19th District Court or the 19th of the month?
The 19th of this month. So 2 weeks from week and a half or so.
Okay.
So when I met them, I was supposed to be with them on Fridays, but my godmother, she's terminally ill, so I was helping with her. So in order to do that, we had to move it till tomorrow. So I'm not sure of the actions we're going to take, but I know we're going to go. I'm hiring for all the cases. I'm going to take care of all of them.
Okay. Well, sir, you seem as though you have a hard time complying with the law. You have a hard time getting along with people.
Yeah, I've been working through my issues, and I've I work with psychiatrists and things like that. I've been bettering myself, and I'm just fed up with all the stuff that I've been doing. I'm looking at myself as to be a better person.
Well, how are you going to do that, sir?
Well, I went to the doctor, psychiatrist, and I'm going to take care of all these cases, and then I got a job actually that I started last Wednesday. A new job, and it's a good job, so that will help a lot too. Maybe
where's that?
Telefoods, and also there's a construction company that I'm hoping that will hire me pretty soon too. But Telefoods is the one I started. I'm going to be a manager up there.
Okay. Well, did you tell your attorney that at all, sir?
I think last time I spoke with him, I told him that I was acquiring a job there possibly, but this time I didn't tell him that. No.
Well, no, because that would have been a change that would have had to have been made on your PSI, but in any event, here's what the court's going to indicate. The court's going to indicate that the recommendation is appropriate. You have a significant criminal history. You're not a candidate for probation. You have 12 outstanding warrants for your arrest, and the court's going to indicate 90 days jail, credit for 30 days. So you need to serve 60. And then the court's going to indicate the following fines and costs. That's to count one, $200 fine, $100 screening assessment fee, cost of prosecution, $200, crime victim assessment fee, $75, justice system assessment fee, $50. For total $625. As to count three, the court's going to indicate a $300 fine, $200 for cost of prosecution, $75 crime victim assessment fee, $50 justice system assessment fee, for a total of $625, for a total of $1,250.
Your Honor,
I'm going to indicate.
No, I said I apologize. That's what I said.
Okay, I will indicate that you need to contact the court here by Friday 1st to set up payment plan.
Is it okay for me to speak now?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I mean, I completely understand, like, the penalty or the punishment and all that. It's just the things that are happening right now. Like, I'm getting everything in order. I've been working really hard since I've got out of jail to get everything in order. My godmother is terminally ill. And I've been taking care of her. She's in the hospital at the moment. I reunited with my older son and my middle kid. I've just been working real hard to better myself. And if I do go to jail, it's gonna and this job is a blessing to me. And if I do go to jail, it's gonna like backpedal me into like my spirit is boosted to be a better person, and I've been working for that, and that's truly what I want to be. So.
Your Honor,
I completely understand the penalty.
Mr. Peterson's just asking for one opportunity to be placed on probation, prove to this honorable court that he can be a good candidate for probation. He is working incredibly hard at getting all of his warrants cleared up. He has retained counsel. He's already served roughly 30 days. I would just ask that this honorable court reconsider in giving him an opportunity to be placed on probation. I don't think he's going to let you down. I think he is in the right state, and I know he does not want to end up in jail. So I think he's going to follow everything that this court asks of him.
And aside from let anybody else down, I don't want to let myself down. My kids, I haven't talked to them in almost a year and a half, and you know, I've been hanging out with them last week, you know, talked to them all week, tell them I'm going to be better. Everything's going in order right now. Everything's going in the right motion. Except for the family issues, but that's, you know, there's nothing that I can do to stop that, but it's just.
Sir, you're not a candidate for probation. You have a significant criminal history. You have 12 words.
I understand. I understand that, and for a long time that's been a cloud over my head. It's been a lot of my stress in my life, and I want it all gone. Like, I'm 47 years old. It's time to be done with all of it. And I'm truly dedicated to being a better person, honestly. And I don't want troubles done. I'm done with trouble. Like I don't want, like, the people I was hanging out with, I don't even have their numbers no more. I don't want to speak to them. I just want my family. I want my good job. I don't want to have to do anything. You know what I'm saying?
Sir, I am very glad to hear that you seem committed to having your life on the right track.
I'm fully committed to that right now. I mean, that's completely all I've been trying to do.
Well, that's good. Then I'm sure you're still going to be fully committed in 60 days when you're out of the Wayne County Jail. So you're going to start your jail term today, and then you'll
Well,
get the
can I ask one favor?
What's that?
Can I please have the couple days to get the job in order to see if they'll let me wait, let me go do the 60 days and so I can and talk to the kid?
Sir, absolutely not. You have 12 warrants out for your arrest for your failure to appear in court.
I
I have
understand.
zero confidence. I
Judge,
have zero confidence that you will be showing up
I beg you to trust
serve
me.
your 60-day
Listen.
jail. You
Judge.
continue to interrupt me. You're
I'm
continuing
sorry,
to interrupt me.
but I
You're
beg
not
you,
sorry,
have
because
faith
you've
in
already
me.
said that and you're
Have
continuing to
faith
do
in
it.
me.
60 days jail, stop, we're done.
Have faith in me,
60
Judge.
days jail.
Judge, you have to have faith in me. Please have faith in me.
Sir,
That's
sir,
all I want is to be better. I can't.
we're done. We're
Listen,
done, 60 days. Yes.
when do I have to
60 days.
report? When can I go home and
No, you don't have, sir.
I will come back right in a minute. I just have to set stuff in order. I promise. I'm on a tether.
Sir, your track record suggests otherwise. You have 12
I beg
warrants
you,
for your failure
listen,
to appear.
Judge, I beg you to overlook my track record and realize as the person I am and trying to be a better person. I promise you, with everything in my heart, I
Sir.
promise you. I promise you, with
Sir.
everything I love, I promise.
We are, sir, we're done. That's the sentence of the court. Thank you.
Why are you here? Tengo corte hoy.
I have court today.
No kidding.
want the truth. You can't handle the truth.
De veras.
You don't say. ¿Por qué también estás aquí, señor Lazo?
Nomás porque tengo corte.
Just because I have
Corte.
court.
You have a bond violation.
Una violación de su fianza.
They are telling me
Que me
that you are tampering with your scram device,
llama el grillete.
specifically at
Específicamente,
1 a.m. on
1 de la mañana,
October 15th.
el 15 de
Judge,
octubre.
with that,
Pues con
there's
eso
not very much
no hay
information
mucha
what's on that DVR. I looked further into it. The tamper lasted a duration of 25 hours and
Duró
51
25 horas y
minutes,
51
and alcohol was
minutos y
detected,
alcohol fue
but could not
detectado,
be
pero no
confirmed
pudo ser
on that
confirmado
tamper as well.
en ese caso de manipulación también.
What they're telling me is that you tampered with the device for about 25 hours
5 horas.
and alcohol was detected during that time.
Yo ni siquiera he movido el aparato y alcohol no he tomado nada.
I haven't even moved
No,
the
drink
device and
No, they're
I
telling
didn't
me.
drink any alcohol. Eso no es lo que me está indicando.
Sí, pero yo no he tomado nada,
I
nada que
haven't
he
drank
tomado,
anything.
nada.
Nothing.
Y esto ni
They're telling me.
Eso
Ni
no es
lo he
que me están
movido.
diciendo. I haven't
no lo he
moved it.
movido
I
nada.
haven't moved it or anything.
That's not what they're telling me.
Eso no es lo que ellos me están
Pues
indicando.
no sé cómo, pero si yo no lo
I
he
don't know how I
movido.
haven't moved it.
Y ni he tomado
I
nada,
haven't
nada.
drank or anything.
nada.
I unfortunately don't know
Probablemente
how
no sé
you tamper
cómo
with the
fue
device, Mr. Lazo.
manipulado.
But from what I understand,
Pero por lo que
I want you
entiendo,
to listen.
lo que escuché,
You have somehow
de alguna
tampered
manera
with the device. The
interferido
device is supposed to maintain a constant contact with your skin.
con su piel.
And the device
El aparato
lost contact with your skin for 25 hours.
Pues no.
Not only
I don't know why.
did it lose
No
contact,
solamente
but during that duration,
de ese
they also
también
tested alcohol.
resultó en un detector de alcohol.
No he tomado alcohol, no sé por
I
qué dice
haven't
que
drank
alcohol, no he
alcohol.
tomado nada. Desde que él me dijo que no tomara, no he
Since you
tomado
told
nada.
me I haven't, since
No
you told me
tomo
not
nada.
to, I haven't drank anything. I don't know why.
You got?
¿Qué tiene usted?
Well, Judge,
Bueno, es
I mean, this is my client's word
la palabra de mi cliente
versus
contra
technology.
la tecnología.
Being that it's an imperfect world,
Es
I
un
would
mundo
request the
imperfecto
court
de pedir
admonish
que
him
reporte lo
and
honeste
make sure he
y
gets the
que se
problem fixed.
asegure de que entienda.
Sorry, Mr. Lazo. You tampered with the device for 25 hours. What am I supposed to do? Let you go?
¿Qué es lo que debería hacer? ¿Dejarlo ir?
No sé por qué, digo que siempre lo traigo igual, lo traigo donde
I don't
mismo.
know.
y
I have
anda la
it
piel
the
ahí.
same every time. That's my skin.
Sí.
Judge, this is a second
Pues este
DWI,
es un
constitute
segundo
car
caso,
accident. I think you should go zero tolerance.
Yeah,
accidente. Pienso
I
que
agree.
debería ser otro.
Taking you in.
Sí,
I'm sorry.
entrar. Lo siento.
The bond is set now at,
Entonces le ponemos entonces ahora
it's at $100. I'll set it at 5,001.
5001.
Mr. Lazo, I need you to understand that we mean business. You can't tamper with the device for 25 hours. And they detect alcohol and think that good things are going to happen.
Si no es eso, buenas cosas hubieran sucedido.
No alcohol, nada, nunca. Y esto
Nothing,
siempre anda
no
igual.
alcohol, it's always the
No lo he
same.
movido.
The device tells me differently.
El aparato me está
It
informando.
goes with you.
Yo respeto.
I respect the things that you told me.
We'll talk.
All right, awesome. Make sure that you stay on top of that, okay?
You know, in every other faculty, every other part of this guy's personality, it could be that he's a good guy, even a great one, and all of it means nothing, because they are someone that enjoys being violent towards their partner. And that makes all the good stuff they do have no substance of man behind it. They are just things that he was hiding behind. Instead of substance, a hollow facade. Abusers. They either are or aren't.
They should try a lot fucking harder at being aren't.